This is a review of the Dyson Air Purifier Replacement Set Air Filters that I would highly recommend. These replacement set air filters are needed whenever your old filters get clogged, then their airflow restricts and it's not the same as it used to be. And overall, I would highly recommend these since they perform quite the same as the OEM quality from Dyson, and the quality is amazing. They perform very well. I love how the quality is. It feels great, and the Dyson air purifier, as you guys know, that it gives you an indicator alert and informs you that when it's time to get a new set of air filters. And for me, it was time to get a new set of air filters. And overall, I would highly recommend these since they do the job as it is intended so, and they perform just like the OEM quality from Dyson. And for me, I own a HP07, and this works for pretty much all Dyson series air filters. So if you own a air purifier and your air filters are getting clogged, then you know it's time to get new ones. And I would definitely recommend these since they perform the same as the OEM quality. And overall, I absolutely love these filters and they do the job like what is intended so.